Dive into the world of heavy-duty recovery with our meticulously crafted Ford L9000 Tandem Axle Tow Truck 3D model, featuring a robust Holmes 850 wrecker system. This isn't just a model. It's a labor of love designed to bring an iconic piece of American trucking history to your 3D projects with unparalleled realism and versatility. We've invested countless hours to ensure historical accuracy and diverse options. You'll find 6 distinct versions of the hood and headlights, allowing you to represent various eras and configurations of the legendary Ford L9000 throughout its production years. The front suspension accurately replicates the proprietary Ford design for this truck type, adding another layer of authenticity, built for performance and customization. Modular design. Every mesh in the model is separated by materials, making it incredibly easy to manipulate, customize, or convert into mods for games and simulations. Organized hierarchy. Key elements like the doors and steering wheel are neatly separated into folders and parented to empties within the Blender directory. This thoughtful organization simplifies animation and integration into any scene or engine. Precision alignment. The wheels and rims are perfectly aligned on the X and Y axes, guaranteeing smooth, error-free rotation for dynamic animations and realistic driving simulations. Detachable wrecker system. The Holmes 850 tow equipment is entirely separate in its own Blender folder, offering maximum flexibility for integration or scene customization. High-fidelity PBR materials. Experience stunning visual fidelity with our Uniged PBR physically based rendering materials. From the intricate details of the carpets and rich leather seats to the fabric on the doors and the subtle sidewall markings on the tires, every texture is designed to deliver a modern, clean, and realistic look, ready for any rendering environment. This Ford L9000 Tandem Axle Tow Truck 3D model with Holmes 850 wrecker is an essential asset for game development, perfect for truck simulators, open world games, or detailed vehicle rosters. Architectural visualization. Add a touch of industrial realism to urban or rural scenes. Animations and cinematics bring dynamic recovery scenarios to life. High-quality renders create stunning photorealistic images. Acquire this exceptional classic tandem axle tow truck 3D model today and enhance your digital library with a truly versatile and detailed asset. Please note that no brand logos or names have been modeled to ensure compliance with copyright regulations.